So hello people, today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 2370, that is longest ideal subsequence, and in this we'll be given a string s consisting of lowercase letters and an integer, and we call a string t as ideal if it follows the following additions: that t is a subsequence of the string s, and also the absolute difference in the alphabet order of every two letters in t is less than or equal to k, and we have to return the length of the longest ideal string. Note that in this we are not having a substring, we are having a subsequence, which means that uh, a substring can be generated by deleting some or zero elements from the string without changing the relative order between those characters. Okay. And in this also we need to note one thing, that a minus z will not be equal to 1, and it's 25 instead. Okay, for example, if we are given a c f g b d, so the longest ideal string possible is ACBD, which has a like maximum value of difference of 2, which is between AC and then B and D, which is exactly 2. Like C minus B will also return me 2, 2 CB will return me 1, B D again will return me 2. Okay, so for this it's a DP question, and in this we'll be having n that will be equal to the length of the string, length dot s, and let's have a DP array, and that will be equal to new int of size 26, because we just need to store the characters, and also have a result length of the result string that is initially 0. Okay, so now for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, and now what we'll be doing is we'll be having the ASCII value of the current string, not the ASCII value, the correct alphabetical value. Okay, char at I minus a. So this is my current character value, and now I'll be having a look at the left side of the string, that what is the maximum value that I can have is that this mat on maximum of 0 and current value minus the k value. Okay, similarly I'll be calculating the minimum for the right bound, that is mat dot minimum of 25 comma current plus k. Okay, and now let's have this integer variable, that is the longest substring which we can find, and now we'll be traversing in the string again, that for int j equal to left, j is less than or equal to right, and my j plus plus. Okay, and now we'll be having the longest will be equal to my longest will be equal to maximum of longest comma the dp of jth index, and now we'll be having the dp current will be equal to my maximum of longest comma longest plus 1, because the length of the string will be increased, or dp jth index, dp's current index instead. And now we'll be updating the result variable as well. Now my result will be equal to maximum of dp current and my already result variable. Okay, and then we just need to return the result. Okay, so now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.